Yikes.
Hesitating. All three of these Red Alliance teams currently ranked within our top 10. Only 37 qualification matches in.
They're coming over. They're probably just going to steal the depot. There's nothing on it. What is that?
Top of the tower. There it goes. A successful level 3 climb for...
Back and forth between the Waffles machine and their teammates 2630 Thunderbolts. Red Alliance shift. 57 seconds left in play as 2481 lets it fly for the Red Alliance. Citrus Circuits will join them.
All right, Johnson, sorry for the delay. We have an announcement. We are going to replay our replay.
Breakaway.
By the Daleks on the red side of the field, both of those teams heading back out for more fuel.
Active.
Fuel in it. Please just carry the robot off with the fuel still in the robot and make your way off the field with the fuel still in the robot and then gently place the fuel back in the neutral zone once you've left the field. So we don't want you waiting on the field to remove the fuel.
How scoring more matters.
Look at 1
fall
fuel.
average, 1 fuel. The ranking points tied.
Fuels. 10 fuel difference.
Seconds left. Daly over 600 fuel. Newton trying to get to 400 with 3 seconds left. Daly opening it even bigger. And then it's time here on Einstein.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. Build your alliance with so many other FRC alumni who go to Kettering University. Every student at Kettering experiences their cutting-edge co-op programs that seamlessly blend the professional and academic worlds. Kettering co-ops are a fully immersive working experience at the leading edge of industry. Head on over to kettering.edu/FRC to learn more about their incredible programs and to get more information.